How to turn off returns on eBay listing. So if you want to turn off returns on eBay listing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for eBay and then go with www.ebay.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, you need to go with the top right corner and then you need to click on selling. Once you did that, it will redirect you to the page where you did list your product. If you didn't finish listing, you can just simply go with your draft, which will be just simply scroll down and then you will find your drafts on the bottom. You need to click on your draft or just simply go with selling right here. And then here you can select drafts. Now you can go with resume draft. After that, you need to scroll down all the way down. And here you can find the international shipping. So in my case, I have the domestic shipping right here. So you may have international shipping. You can find the delivery details. Just select the delivery details option, which will be under your domestic returns, or you can just simply go with the pencil shaped icon right here and then go and turn on the accept returns. And under international returns also, you can just simply go with turn on and then go with done. Now you may have the option. You need to just simply click on delivery details, and when enabled, once you enable in the domestic returns, when enabled, the seller must accept returns if the items doesn't match the listing description. So all you need to do is to turn it off, or you can just simply play with the settings as you like. So in my case, I've just turned on. You can also just turn it off if you don't like it. So just simply close this or turn this off, turn the toggle off. After that, close everything and make sure to save. Go with done, which will be in the top, and then go with save for later. That's how you can turn off returns on eBay listing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.